In the towing industry, countless tools and equipment are essential to have on hand. But how do you keep all of them organized and easily accessible? This C360 presents a solution with the Zips Center Console Kit. A great addition to your rollback or wrecker, this is a storage and charging console, constructed of durable aluminum material that conveniently mounts to the floor of the cab. It's pre-wired with 4 12-volt charging ports with the ability to turn each port off and on independently. The charging console is specifically designed to store a Milwaukee 18-volt impact driver and battery charger, the Jump & Carry 660 jump pack, the Towmate 22-inch wireless tow light, and a Streamlight Polystinger LED flashlight. The console is pre-wired with blunt endings to accommodate a simple hardwire installation on your truck's electrical system. There are a couple different ways to install the console. You can either wire them directly into the truck ignition power supply or directly to the truck battery. Quick tip: if wiring into the truck battery, make sure the switches are turned to the off position. Otherwise, it will draw your truck battery dead even with the truck turned off. The console works best when installed in a truck with more floor space. It's popular to install it alongside the driver's seat. The mounting bracket allows for easy removal of the console, allowing for much easier cleaning of the cab. You can purchase the console with all the accessories included, or if you already have those accessories, you can just purchase the console by itself. The dimensions are 26 inches long by 6.5 inches wide. The Zips Center Console Kit stores your essential towing and roadside assistance tools within easy reach. Shop towing accessories on zips.com to order today.